Hey everyone, welcome back to English Mantras. Today we are talking about how to talk to new friends in English learning apps. So, talking to new people can be fun and helpful for learning English. When you start talking, just say hi or hello. Tell them your name and a bit about yourself, what you like or why you are learning English. Say what you want to learn, like if you're practicing speaking or trying to get better at some specific English stuff. Tell them. Talk about different things. It makes chatting more interesting and helps you learn in different ways. Keep the talk going by asking questions. Friends, ask about what they like or what they have done. It's a good way to learn from each other, isn't it? Friends, be patient. Remember, everyone learns at their own speed. Be nice and understanding during the chat. Use the tools in the app. They help a lot. You can translate stuff or practice with the special features English learning. If someone makes a mistake, be nice when you say what is right. And it is cool if they help you too. We are all learning together, right? Don't stress about being perfect. It is cool or it is okay if every chat is not perfect. Focus on learning, not being perfect. When you finish talking, say thanks. Thank them for talking and helping you learn. It makes everyone feel good. Friends, so that is how you can talk to new friends in English apps. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy language tips. Thanks for watching and have fun chatting and learning English. This is Saurabh signing off. Ciao.